Hey, welcome to Dry Dock Studios. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons as a way to support and get future updates. All right, DZOFilm Pictor Zooms. These are lenses that have been paired up with the Red Komodo, Blackmagic, Pocket Cinema, great cameras. I took it out for a spin with an ARRI Alexa. This is a world-class Hollywood-grade cinema camera that has been in Hollywood films that have won Academy Awards, largely because the sensor itself has one of the best color science in reproduction. So what better way to test out a DZOFilm Pictor Zoom with a cinema-grade camera at night in natural lighting in Boston? Here it is. Now, my thoughts on the lens. There is certainly some benefits to this lens. You are getting parfocal, which basically means you can zoom in, zoom out, focus on your subject, and lock that focus in. I think for under $5,000, you can't beat it at this price point in this time. You get a variety of different focal lengths to cover a different spectrum of projects that you have happening. And you get EF and PL mounts, so that depending on your setup, you're gonna be all set. Unfortunately, it is heavy. With an ARRI Alexa, you're already looking at some serious weight. So adding this, it's about 3.35 pounds. Keep that in mind. It also introduces a little bit of a creamy tone to it during the day. So it's kind of like that Instagram effect. With an ARRI Alexa, you want balanced lenses. You want lenses that complement and magnify the sensor. It's a great sensor. It's a very expensive sensor. So there's really no need for you to introduce the color grade to it. Now, again, that might be something you're looking to do as a dream sequence music video, but I generally like to keep that up to the colorist. The other thing is it does have a little bit of digital distortion or chromatic aberration. What that basically means is if there's a light in the back and your subject is in the front of it, you do get a little bit of that halo effect. It's not much, but it's there. I think those are minor things when you consider how much you're paying and what you're getting. I certainly think DZO has done an amazing job for the price that you're paying. If you like what you saw, again, hit the like and subscribe. Leave your comments below, and we'll see you next time.